This is a DDAmanda video on ZHUDing International, symbol ZHUD. I love that symbol, ZHUD. I've always had this theory that the symbol is half the battle as far as the stock moving. Anyway, we found this, showed up on a scan here on October 2nd with this 361 factor. She was in the triples. But we couldn't trade her because she was expert. Her status at OTC Market was expert. So we were waiting for her to get to at least limited, which she did on October 30th here. And just started off, didn't trade that much, 28,000. And then she started, again traded at 28,000 the next day. And then today she's starting to take off here. Traded 133,000, went up, wow, 96%. So what's the story here? What's the story, Glory? Well, this was a custodianship, okay? And what a custodianship is a company that is like kind of died and is not doing anything. Some of the shareholders will get together and they'll hire a lawyer or whatever, and management has disappeared. The company is dead, and they go to court and they try to take it over, and then they appoint a custodian, and that's what happened here. This Belisarian Holdings took over the company, and they were awarded the custodianship and through the court. So they were in charge then. So one of the things they did is they reduced the outstanding down to 160 million. They reduced it by 60%. So I guess it was 401 million. They canceled or terminated 240 million by court order. So that's this tweet that they put out right here, where they canceled 60%. And then they put out another tweet on October 26th that said that the court recent discharge of our custodianship. Now, what we take that to believe is that they have found a merger candidate. In other words, they've been discharged and there's a new company moving in here, okay? So that's what we think is going to happen. Also, when right now she's limited at OTC markets, which means only a couple of brokerages can trade her. I think E-Trade and Fidelity. But the status will change to current soon, and then everybody can trade the stock, and that's when we expect her to really take off. Okay. That, and when they announce who the merger candidate is, it'll depend on who that is. Another interesting thing here is they have zero debt right now. There's no debt. There's no convertibles, no loans, nothing that people have to worry about with dilution. Anyway, it's almost Halloween's over. This was my Siggy on Investors Hub. I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday. Anyway, guys, another case for DDAmanda finding a real winner here. So let's hope she really blows up and you guys get in and make money. All right, have a good rest of the week, and thanks for listening and watching. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you know, log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.